everybody. I wanted to share with you another option for recording messages to students in addition to doing screencasting, such as using Screencastify. WeVideo also has an option. So if you're working on a video project that you want to send out to your students, you can come up into, while you're in the editor, come up to the record button. You have the option to record just the webcam, which is what I'm going to share with you. You can record the screen, so you can record a screencast like you would with something like Screencastify. And of course you can record the screen and have your webcam show, so that adds that little personalized impact so that students can actually see you talking to them. So I'm just going to use the webcam version. It all works the same in the end. So if I click webcam and OK, now mine goes straight to the webcam to start filming, but you may be prompted to allow access to the webcam and the microphone. If you are, that's okay. Just go ahead and allow access. You can double check to make sure that you have selected the correct camera and microphone. In this case, I'm using my headset. So when I want to start recording, I just hit the start recording button. It gives me a countdown. And now it starts recording. You can see that I'm talking in the camera. It's recording my voice as well. And so just give your message to the students, and when you're done, you just hit the save button. And what it will do is give you a preview. So you probably can't hear this, but that is what's happening, is it's talking back. So if that looks good and sounds good, then you just click save. And it pops it into your My Media area, so you can see some other examples that I've already created. So what happens with this is it just processes, and once it's done processing, like these other videos, you just pop it in and place it where you need it to be in the timeline, and then you just edit the video as you would normally. So hopefully this will be helpful for you, and it's just another option that you can to get communication to your students.